Tumunog lang, baby boy! It's basket is down! And Chelsea number 0. Alas na Mr. Baguio.
Fourth quarter.
Wow! May nakita, Kulikam, Mr. Jersey number 15, Mr. Baguio. Warning for fall down. Mr. Baguio, warning for fall down. Pat na si Baguio. And Jersey number 0. Looking for Mr. Denal, the trigger man. Ano gagawin? Shot clock down to 12. Shot clock down to 11. Falls alive. Shot clock down to 9. Falls alive. Shot clock down to 5. Tumunog lang, baby boy. It's basket is down. Basket down, mga baby boy. It's Mr. Abbas. Looking for Jersey number 0. Abbas. Back to Abbas. Shot clock down to 14. Abbas, isang ikot, isang piyet, basket. 78 against 80. As Jersey number 6, looking for Jersey number 21 and now, left on the chat, supply, that was he got there, now Bintangan, turnover. And ngayon, Jersey number 0, looking for brother Abbas. It's basket is down. 7-82 against number 8, 4-point lead by Zanahoy. Ito ngayon, the trigger man now. Ano gagawin? Nakawala ang trigger man. There's a whistle. There's a foul committed by Jersey number 27. First personal foul, Mr. Ukap. Second team foul. Two shot over by Jersey number 21 from the free throw line, Mr. Denal. For the first snap, as the ball was Jefferson ready. Isang pa lang ang ball niyo, Kap.
Makakamit tayo ng third quarter.
Opo. Coaches, players, may tagtulo pa po kamang time out. Yes, basket. Oh! Line ball. It's Abbas receiving ball. Abbas ngayon, looking for brother Abbas from the long two. And some Abbas, send on there from the 6 for the big rebound. Aras na sa Imaw. Abbas Jersey number 0. Ano gawin? Jersey number 0. Abbas Jersey number 21. Then now for the 21. Marami si Danaw. Nagbabangga ang kamay. Eto ngayon, Abbas babawi sa gitna. Magic pasa. 2 points into the party. Basket is count. Eto ngayon, Jersey number 0. The blow to Chad. Basket is count. Ang bilis ng bawi ni Jersey number 0. Deadlock at 84. As Abbas tries the shot, supply. Nandun, tapping coming over to Jersey number 28. Mr. Abbas. Back to the holder, Jersey number 0. Shot clock down to 8. Shot clock down to 7. Shot clock down to 6. Towards alive. He got there for the big rebound. Same ball. 12 to shoot. 12 to shoot. 12 to shoot. Balls alive. Abbas. It's Abbas. Pass to Jersey number 28. Mr. Abbas. Supply pa rin. Uma for the putback. Supply. Tapingan. Nandun si Baguio for the rebound. Baguio bigat po wala paalam mo na supply. Imaw for the big rebound. Nandun. It's a up. It's balls alive. Nagatama po sa ano. Nagatama pag-asarin. Relax lang tayo. Kalma lang. 7 minutes and 10 seconds.
Pasa!
Shot clock down to 11. It's Jersey number 6. Wala, rebound by Mr. Tugbo. Pass to Jersey number 0. Jersey number 0 tuloy. Bumper. Pass to Jersey number 8. It's a bump. And si Nino Bravo. 6 minutes and 56 seconds remaining. Substitution. Abbas out! Abbas out! Almario! And she got there for the rebound of the jersey number 4. So here we go, King Dante, the floor to chat, supply, over for the big rebound. Over ngayon. Opo. Over, ano gagawin? Over, tuloy-tuloy. Bumper na bumper, isang ingot, isang bigit. Ulit supply, Abbas for the pumpa. Supply pa rin, nanon. Over for the big rebound. And siligaw to
Kabila po B. 84-84.
Deadlock tayo mga kaibigan sa 84. Nandang mutitan na bitawan. Enter sa Dagos sa Ukap. Aras by George number 0. Ito kayo ang Ukap pa rin. Lucas Tira. Itang ito George number 0 sa gitna. Magic Tira. Butters Ulusal. There's a foul. Kumita by George number 287. Mr. Ukap. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ang 3 pa lang. Ang 3 pa lang. Sorry. 3 pa lang. 2 pa lang foul mo. 3-team foul pa lang. 3-team foul. Yes, basket is down for the first step for Jumpers ready. Sablay, Ukap for the big rebound. Ito ngayon, Ukap, atake na defense, tuloy-tuloy, Ukap, nagkakapinan, nagkasugunan, turnover. Last line by Richard, number 27 is Ukap. And George number 6 for lay down the basket, George number 0. George number 0 ngayon, ano gagawin? Magic pass na ilalim, George number 6, supply, tapinan, sundutan, Bagyo for the big rebound, high pass to George number 0, Abbas, go to Mutita, palo Mutita, ulit, supply, tapinan, inaalat si Idol ngayon, and George number 27, Ukap, may napituhan, there's a foul, committed by George number 0, ano ba? Zelo, first personal foul. T-shirt naman by George number 27.
Abawal kayo sa amon.
Ano masok? Pag pumasok, masok na? May substitution tayo. And sa basket. Substitution. Briones out. Mutita out. Abbas enters the 0 back to the court.
Be, mo gapon be.
He got there for the rebound of the George number 6, Mr. Ukap. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Ukap ngayon. Magic pass to the Yankee, Mr. It's just a zero. Patas. Magic Tira. Big rebound. Ito ngayon. Pass to Ukap. Ukap, ano gagawin? Magic pass to Abbas. Then yung cover. Pinapumukal na paalam. Ulit pasok yan. 87 against 85. Ito, he got there. Pass to the trigger man. Nakawala. Lebanon shot. Supply. Nandun. Ukap for the big rebound. Ito si Ukap na pamanili. Scoring man. Ukap lumipad. Bang! Jersey number 0 for the rebound. Pass here to number 6, Mr. Ukap. Ukap na yan. Ano gawin? Kasapubog. Ukap tuloy-tuloy. Magic Tira. Sablay. Nandun. Ukap for the big rebound. Ukap. Baseball pass to Abbas. Nandun si Zelo. For the intercept. It's a double dribble. Charge to Marino. Ito yan. Bagyo. Lagay po pumabong. Tayo counter. Na-import. Wala. Nandun. Ukap for the big rebound. Ukap para sa Mr. Bagyo. Ukap para gagawin. Up. Turnover. Zebol. 19 to shoot. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 4 minutes and 30. Eto ngayon. Danaw. Ano gagawin? Aras na Mr. Abbas. Pass by Zelo. Magic pass sa ilalim. Eto for penalty. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. 4 minutos. 20 segundos.
Masik daw, warning naman.
And sa babaw supported for Suprema jumpers ready. 85 against 89. Habibigyan sa Ama Pagsit. Kung gusto nyo makita ang live, makita lang mo sa live ni Ama Pagsit. Sa pala na Cooper Santa Ana, kanami sa aton barangay. S. Galaw. Ano gagawin? Galaw. Side shot. Kalipanan sa tan. Uka po na pupa. Bang! 87 against 89. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan. Ito ngayon, Abbas, Duboy. Ano gagawin? Harap na jersey number 0, Mr. Zeno. Abbas, pipilit. Oh, pagsa. Ito na, Abbas, Magic Pasa. Tupungabong. To Abbas, ang kanina peg. Butter sa Rizal. There's a down. Kumuna na jersey number 0. Mr. Second personal foul. Zeno. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Boy.
As Abbas, looking for Abbas brother. Ito ngayon, pipilit, Abbas. Jabal, bola, sana all. Ilipat natin may mga araw, baby boy.
Kumutungod sa ninihaw.
Yan, kamutungod sa ninihaw. Kanina daw na. Shot clock down to 9. And Cervantes, kapitawan. Nandun, Jason Benuan. Nanaw, natin naman. Sabay, nandun. Sino mga mga? Jason Benuan. Pwede cover. Back to Jason Benuan. Magic pass ito. Ukap, pipilit. Using the board. Sabay pa rin. Nandun si Ukap. Jason Benuan for the big rebound. 87 against 89. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Ukap na yun. Shot down to 15. Shot down to 14. Ukap, pipilit. Napitawan. Isang ikot. Isang pilit. Supply. Nandun bunga. Bumpa. Pass to the count. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Zalo. Pass to just number 6. Ukap. Atake na defense. Nakit na Sigante. Jayaki. Paluputira. Ulit supply. Nagkatapikan. Nagkasundutan. Saan mapupunta? Full side. Turnover. And turnover. Turn to Samahoy. Mainit talagang panahon. Ito ngayon, Baguio sa rebound. Lumipit ang 0, Mr. Abbas. Ito na, Abbas na kawala. Tuloy-tuloy. Esa Black. Rebound kay jersey number 6, Mr. Umap. Nakasunod na, bang! Bagsak. And si Jabal. Bola sa Marinport. Grabe. Usmusan. Magawalang championship. Relax lang tayo, baby boy. Ilipatan natin may Watamaro. And si Kante. Look for 0. And jersey number 6, 0. And 0 ngayon. Check out on 17. Enter sa tayo sa Umap. Umap na yan. Look for 9. Losing time. Check out on 20. 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Umap na kawala. Left hand shot. Supply. Zero for the big rebound. Ito ngayon. Zero na mga tuloy. Andon si Baguio. Ang bilis si Baguio. Ay pa si jersey number 0. Mr. Abbas. Basket is count. May kasamang foul. Foul for the jersey number 0. Mr. Sino. Third personal foul. 3-team foul. Bola siya naman ng jersey number 0. Mr. Abbas Jim Boy. Jumpers ready. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. At supply, nandun. Ukap for the big rebound. Ukap na yun. Ano nga rin? Ukap, tuloy-tuloy. Ukap, nakawala. Using the board. Basket is count. 89 against 93. 4-5 defense na oil. Kaya Abbas. Ano gagawin? Abbas to the Baguio. Back to Mr. Abbas. Shot up down to 16. Abbas pa rin. Abbas, ano gagawin? Double shot. And supply. Abbas pa rin. For the big rebound. Oh! Ang ganda ni Abbas. Shot up down to 10. Shot up down to 9. Shot up down to 8. Shot up down 7. 5 seconds. Malayo pa to. Shot clock down to 12. As Baguio putting down. Here for Abbas. That goes off the high fire. Shot clock down to 6. Tutulog na baby boy. Tutulog na baby boy. Magpulan na doon. Enter sa Misero. Enter sa Misero. Benar jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Jimboy Abbas Hopi Valentine. Fall down. Jersey number 0. 1 minute and 18 seconds. 89 against 95. As the double score personnel by Doctors Brady. Yes, the basket is down. 90 against 95, 5-point lead. Ito ngayon, ukap to the ball. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Baguio, looking for Abbas.
1995 po, in favor of San
Abbas ngayon, biglang pupukal naman ang palang. Unang supply na doon, si Ukap para ng rebound. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock down to 9. Seconds to play. 55 seconds. Abbas, magic tira. Using the board. Supply. Nandang si Ukap para ng rebound. Pulls right. Ito ngayon. Nagkakawa. Nagkasulitan. Pagsak. Pagsak. Saan mapupunta? Saan mapupunta? Pulls right. Chance number 0. And Selo ngayon. Selo tuloy-tuloy. Supply. Andon Selo para ng rebound. And Zeba. 46 seconds. 46 seconds. Bebe, yung pagsulate ka nila ulang kita. 46 seconds. 46. It's just a zero. Use the board. Wala. Rebound na sa Ukap. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. Shot clock down to 15. 30 seconds. Shot clock down to 10. It's illegal to rubber. 27 seconds. Amir out to Lupago. Back to the court. 27 seconds. 27 seconds. That's the now. Oh, Minawin. There's a foul. Foul coming up against number 15. Baguio. Foul out. 24 seconds. Penalty, penalty. 24 seconds. Yes, pass is down for Mr. Denal. Purple to lane. Jumpers, ready.
Pwede ni Maskin sa amo ng bola, pwede ka.
Oo. Matay lang sama pag sumunod? Ha?
Dili. Bawal. Okay.
Oh, pag sa'yo muna dapat. Dahil kayo. Shot! Chance to Sana Oil. 3-3 fouls na naman ito. Oops! That's the foul coming to the jersey number 6, Mr. Ukap. Ukap! Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning pa lang for penalty. 21 seconds. 21 seconds. Shot clock down to 14. Shot clock down to 14. 21 seconds. Ayun. Bravo. Hey! May nadakot na huli. Penalty. Second personal foul. Both team are penalty situation. Hey! Grabing kulpa. 19 seconds. 19 seconds. against 95. 92 against 95. Yes, basket is down. Naman din, antay mo sa tubig.
Baisan baka muna tayo, no?
May isang taon na tayo.
18.
18 seconds.
Bawal ka muna.
Bawal ka muna.
Sa inyo muna.
Yes! Sa basket is down. Open pa yun. 15 seconds. Hey! 13 seconds. 13 seconds. Hop, 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 hop. Handshake, handshake, handshake. Head down, head down, head down. 13 seconds. Yan na, yan na. Grabe, grabe. Grabe. Pulse live. Ito na ngayon.
Sana all.
Ito na.
1 point lang.
10 seconds. Foul. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. This one is referee. Sino? Jersey number 0. Sino? Oh, jersey number 0. Second personal foul. Two shot. Penalty tayo sa referee, penalty.
Kanina po. 8
8.3 seconds. 8.3 seconds. Ay! Grabe. Against 10. 8.3 seconds. Very crucial. Very crucial ang meron to. Kinakabahan ang mga coach natin. Jeffers waiting. Yes! Basket is down. 8 seconds. Tutulog yan, baby boy. Hey! 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Go. 2 seconds. 2.2 seconds. Penalty tayo, referee. Penalty. 2.2 seconds. It's Sublime. Grabe. 2.2. Yes, basket. Hey!